Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Emirates Islamic bank accounts using a computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the address bar at the top and type in www.emiratesislamic.ae and press enter. This will take you to the official website for Emirates Islamic Bank. Go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to the login button. This will open up an expanded menu. Select the area from where you'd like to log in. Let me click on online banking in today's video. Now on the next page, click on continue to online banking button and you'll land to the sign in page for Emirates Islamic Bank. Type in your username into the first text box that appears on the display. Type in your password after you're done on the next box. In case you don't remember your username, then you can click on this Forgot Username link right beneath the username box. Follow the instructions to look for your username. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, you can click this Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new one. You can double check your password after typing it in the text box by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this Activate Online Banking button. If you'd like to self-register, click on Self-Registration. After filling in all the details click on the Login button to log into your Emirates Islamic bank account in no time. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.